In this quick video tutorial, I will show you how to redirect your Spaceship domain. First of all, you need to log into your Spaceship account, then click All Products in the top menu and go to Domains. Then you need to look at the right side menu and click on Domain Manager. You need to choose the domain which you want to redirect. For example, I have got only one domain, and right here you need to click on URL Redirect. So right here we need to write the destination URL. So write the domain name you want to redirect to, then choose redirect type. We have got three options: temporary, permanent, and masked. For example, I will choose permanent. When you write the URL right here, for example, or like this, then you will see the save button right here. You need to click on it and you will redirect your domain to new URL. So that's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.